How to arrive at a decision without overthinking. Decisions, the most important thing in our lives. Decision making. I have realized that most of the people get stuck. They go round and round in circles but are not able to arrive at a decision. Remember, decisions shape our life. What decision we take, that's the way how our destiny is going to be shaped. But the problem with people is that they just cannot arrive at a decision at a crucial time and take action over it. The main reason why this happens is because they are not able to arrive at a crucial decision and take action over it. Everybody wants to know whether the decision is right or wrong before they take a decision. They want to know the outcome, what is going to happen. And that's the major problem, because that is not possible. Remember, in life, there is nothing called as a right decision or a wrong decision. Every decision has its pros and cons. Today, I'm going to teach you 2 techniques which you can utilize to arrive at crucial decisions in your life. Remember, these techniques can be used only to arrive at crucial decisions, but do not utilize this technique in your day-to-day decision making. Technique number 1 is going to teach you how to arrive at a crucial decision logically. Technique number 2 is going to teach you how to arrive at a crucial decision emotionally. I humbly request, kindly do not use both the techniques to arrive at one decision. You will get confused. Select one technique that appeals to you and master it. Technique number 1, how to arrive at a crucial decision logically. Let's say, for example, someone wants to decide his career. What does he want to be in life? Let's say someone is thinking he wants to be an actor. How can he arrive at a decision that this is what he wants to do? First, obviously, we all know he needs to be passionate about acting. But logically, he has to understand what are the probabilities and what are the consequences. What you need to do is to take a piece of paper. On one side, you write probabilities. What are the probabilities that I'm going to be successful as an actor? And what are the consequences? For example, on the side of the probabilities, you can write, yes, there is lots of money, there is fame, there is party, there is lavish lifestyle. Consequences, you might have to struggle for a long period of time, 12 to 18 hours of work, lots of traveling, and there is also a possibility that you might be a very good actor and still not get work. Let me show you a small example. As you saw, I showed you an example how it is written on a piece of paper, probabilities and consequences of being an actor. Now I'm sharing you the important part. The consequences are more important than the probabilities. Usually the mistake people do is only think about the probabilities, but they don't think too much about the consequences. But the consequences are more important than the probabilities. When you arrive at a decision, just take the probabilities aside. Just look at the consequences. And once you look at the consequences, the question that you need to ask yourself, can I face these consequences practically in my life? If you get the answer, yes, I can face these consequences, go ahead, take that decision. But if you get the answer, I cannot face these consequences practically in my life right now, do not take that decision. This is the way how to arrive at a decision logically. Technique number 2. How to come at a crucial decision without overthinking. This is my favorite technique, the emotional technique. What you got to do is you got to go to a silent place, maybe into your room or any place where there is pin drop silence, where nobody can disturb you. You're going to go ahead and sit and you're going to close your eyes and you're going to ask that important question of your life. For example, if someone wants to choose between being an actor and between being a doctor, he will go in a room where there is pin drop silence, he will close his eyes and very softly ask this question: do I want to be an actor or do I want to be a doctor? After asking this question for 30 seconds, just close your eyes and be seated over there. After 30 seconds, open your eyes and just go back to your day-to-day life. Do not ask yourself that question again, or do not let your mind ponder over what are the probabilities or consequences of being an actor or a doctor. You have gone in a silent room and asked that question only once, and go back to your routine life. Within 15 days or 20 days, when you are in your day-to-day life, you will get a strong feeling, you will get a strong urge with an answer. That answer will come from inside. That answer will come at any time. You might be going out with your friends and having dinner, but that feeling will be so strong that you will have no question in your mind that that is what you want to do. It is an emotional technique. The key to it is not to question yourself again and think about it. You ask that question once and you are back in your day-to-day life. I assure you, within 15 to 20, maximum 25 to 30 days, you will get an answer from inside. Have faith on that answer. The key thing is, when you get that strong feeling that this is what you want to be, have faith on it, do not question it, and start taking steps towards it. Thank you.